Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. Yes, we made it home with this nice lady here. And no, this is not yet the video with the wrap-up of the trip, where I went, how much it cost, how many kilometers, how many liters, all that. Today is the first morning at home, and I really want to get the car organized, to get it registered in Germany, put a historic license plate on it, get it insured, get it in a condition according to German regulations, which hopefully only means fixing some minor issues, but we will see. And I thought the procedure would be like this. First, go to the German Safety Inspection Authority, Abgasuntersuchung. There's various brands you can go to. I just picked one, and I'll just go there and tell them that I want to have this car inspected, hoping I get a list, and I hope they do it, and they will explain the procedure to me, because it's a bit different if you inspect a car which has been registered in Germany before, or if you come along with a car from another country which is in the European Union, but nonetheless it's never been registered in Germany, so this has to be done. And of course the safety inspection to get the car into a state of an officially historic car. That's why we get this H on the license plate at the end. It's all a bit different, so I'll discuss this with the guys and I'll let you know. If this goes to plan and they do check the car full scope, it will take quite some time. And right after that, I would drive to my garage and ask the guy, hey, where do we start? What do we fix first? What needs to be done first? Do we need to order parts? What can we do? Then we probably need to go to a recheck for the car, because I don't think it will pass. I really don't believe it. I mean, it's in a good condition. It took me home over 3,000 kilometers. But still there will be some issues, and if it's only cleaning the engine, I think I saw 2 brake lines in the back which are not too good. Well, let's see what they say. Get that fixed, then I can apply for, well, not apply, but register for German insurance, because to do so you need a German registration and not what we have here, which I can only get if I pass safety inspection and then I would be done. And the plan would be, today is Monday, after 2 weeks being on the trip, and I hope I can get all done this week. That would be the plan. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, welcome to Germany. So, who said it would be easy? Anyway, the third safety inspection company could help me, and I have a meeting with them to get a paragraph 21 inspection done on Thursday. So that's 4 days from now. Actually, the plan was doing that first and then having a list with all issues that need doing. I don't want to lose the time, so I meet with Tino from my preferred workshop today afternoon, and we'll take a closer look then. So we made it to Matchbox Service. So heißt du, ne? Matchbox Service? Matchbox Service. And Tino took a look at the car, as we have the date for the inspection in a couple of days, and what we identified, which is pretty urgent, is this one. Don't know the English word. Achsmanschette. We need to fix the exhaust because it's leaking here. Then we have diesel dripping from the injection pump up there, so we need a new seal there. And now my light went out. Too bad. This one is completely worn, so we will change the complete part. What else did we have? Oh, we have in the rear brake lines, and the brake lines are by no means original and by no means new. I have some tears. And what I found out is that the thing that applies to the washing detergent on the windscreen, it's operated with a foot switch, and that one is not in the car. So I have to find that one. And I guess that's what needs to be addressed first. And then we can go to the Hauptuntersuchung, paragraph 21, Einzelabnahme, I think it's called. And then we should be all set. Well, more to come when Tino is done. So far, stay safe and healthy. Bye.